Hi there, my name is Gordon and I am celebrating HiVis Fortnight, 2 weeks dedicated to highlighting the fantastic services that Fife has to offer for those with a visual impairment. So today, to celebrate, I will be reading a poem by James Joyce. Now, James Joyce himself experienced severe eye problems throughout his life. By the age of 50, he was blind in his left eye and had 10% vision in his right eye. He was also one of the greatest prose writers of the 20th century, I think, anyway. So, this poem is called All Day I Hear the Noise of Waters. I hope you enjoy it. All day I hear the noise of waters making moan. Sad as the seabird is, when, going forth alone, he hears the wind's cry to the water's monotone. The grey winds, the cold winds are blowing where I go. I hear the noise of many waters far below. All day, all night, I hear them flowing to and fro. I hope you enjoyed that reading. If you have any feelings or thoughts on it, then please leave it in the comments below. Anyway, enjoy the rest of your HiVis Fortnight.